Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I will start about the features that we can find in the settings, and after that about things that we can make when we are using standard mode like photo, video and also few more. So let's start by opening the settings, and at the first we can find a few options. There we get the Gridlines. When you enable this option and go to your camera, you will find the help Gridlines and also the leveler, as you can see. So right now if you want to put object inside the photo, in the middle of the photo, for example like this one, you can make it much easier. The another option that we can find here is location tags. When you tap on the switcher and then enable location on your smartphone, like in my case, you can simply make photo and take a look. Right now when you go for the details of that photo, we'll find the exact location where the photo was taken. Okay, next we can find the shotting methods. We can easily change function of the volume keys. So we can take picture or record video right now when you press volume up or volume down button. But I can recommend you to switch to zoom and take a look right now when I'm going to the photo mode and press the volume up button. I can smoothly zoom in to the object and zoom out also. So it's definitely easier than pinching screen like that. You have to use your two fingers, and here you can only press with one. Here we can also find the floating shutter button. So when you enable this option, as you can see, we got another button, another shutter here and here. When you tap on it, the photo will be taken. So if you hold phone like that and you cannot reach this one, you can put, for example, here and then take photo. When you want to put it back, just swipe like that and it will be attached in this place. Okay, and there we get also the last option. There's the show palm, so we can take selfie by using our palm. So let's take a look. I'm going to switch to the front camera and then I'm going to show palm of my hand. Okay, it's supposed to work, but let me just turn on the light. Okay, maybe let's close the camera and let's try to open it again. Okay, I'm going to try like that. Okay, as you can see right now it works. So we can also take safely by using showing your palm of the hand. And let's see what we got more. We can also find the quick launch. So this option, when we press the power key 2 times, we can quickly open the camera. So we can get quick access to the camera. I'm going to turn it off because sometimes it's annoying me. And I'm going also to turn off this option. Okay, so that's all from the features that we can find in the settings. And right now when we are in the standard photo mode or video mode, we can click to catch focus, and after that we can easily change the brightness level on the photo by moving this switcher on the left or the right. The same you can make by using the video mode. In the photo mode we can also add timer, so we can use 2, 5 or 10 seconds. When you choose 2 seconds and click on the shutter, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. Here we can also quickly change aspect ratio, but it also changed the image quality, so I can recommend you to use always 3:4. And when you tap here, we can also quickly add filters to the photos, so we don't have to use any external application. We can set the intensity, and as you can see it looks a little bit different than this one. Let me just remove this photo, and right now we can find here also in the more mode the pro mode. So when you enter here you can control manually ISO, white balance, and there we got also the EV. If you don't know how to use that mode, you can find a tutorial on our YouTube channel. And basically that's all from the features, from the tricks that you can use in your camera on Samsung Galaxy A10. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.